Right, now what you're gonna do is get this guy, get these guys, and let's just combine them together. And let's blend them both. Let's say this area is good, and let's get this guy. Let's bring this guy here, just like that. Combine it together just like this. I'm not even sure if this will work out. Let's see how it be. This. Let's do this. Let these guys get these guys. Let's try to put it together. Hopefully it won't work, and yes, it will work. That's the number of the bodies people, so it's okay, just go ahead. It's going to be a small object, it's not going to be animated. So basically we don't care about it. Let's get this guy, 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 this guy. This guy was creating the issue that this. Right. Side view, do the history, and what I'm going to do is to select this part. Sometimes this thing is weird when there's not current properties. This guy. I don't know what this is. Yeah, let's see. This looks, yeah, it's inspected, but it doesn't matter. It's like the half of it. Delete this guy. Bring this guy here. Bring this guy here. Then get this guy and just bring one plane. And then we're gonna just symmetry. Let's do, I think. This is going on the other side probably. Here is the, oh, still, it's the wrong way. Let's go with C. And we need positive. Bring this guy here, just like this. Yep. Bring it more closer, just like this. Which is fine as well. Bring this guy here. Get these guys. Here we go. This guy and this guy. Yeah, we're getting there. So yes, let's bring this guy more closer and this scale, and this is going to be not an equal prop. It's not going to be animated, so it doesn't really matter what how the flow is. But I always like to keep it clean. It's very, very important. It's a kind of old habit. It pays off in the end because geometry is neat and clean. It looks good. It's easy to manage. This is wrong. So we got it from here, and we got it there. That guy is basically looking like this. But yeah, and here we go. 170 is fine. I need to smooth this guy up. Oh yeah, I like this. I really like this. So let's component, and then it's a bit of this, a bit of this, and you can always come back and you can yes, this is just ways off. Polygons, so this, bring this guy up, bring this guy up just like this, and yeah, good to go with this. Yes, okay, this looks off. Which one here? Okay, let's reduce this. Back, and what we can do is we can just go here and let's say set faces, and let's make it soft again. Yep, that's right. Oh sweet, I love this. Now we're in our beak here, so it can be a separate geometry, but there's no need for that. So what I'm going to do is to shift and extrude this guy out. Oh, this is sweet, baby, this is sweet. We're going to go here. Yep. And this, I want this to be clean, like this. Bring this guy here just 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 like this. I think we can seriously low poly as well, but since this guy will be for the renders and stuff, we need a bit of geometry here. The eye can be the texture, it doesn't need that. Now this is not nice, this particular. Straighten this out. Here we go. Just like this. So polygons are always bad. So now this birdie is basically 218 polygons, which can be reduced further if we get rid of these guys. Just bring them big. Now it's 22. This guy here. This particular part here is just like this, and this gets erased as well, and this gets erased as well. So now if you look at this, we have good, sweet bird. Now, there's something we need to, and I think this is no idea what this is. We're trying to make it a shape, whatever it is, and then we need something on the top. I'm going to keep it copy of it, just like this. So I need kind of I think this is a pen. Yeah, and it's attached to it. Right? So what we can do is we go here and we're going to get a cube just like this. Check it out. I'm sorry if you guys are getting sick of this music. I'm going to change the playlist right now because get rid of this. This guy down below. Ocean-wise, so if the bird is here big, but it's this big, and this guy is yeah. This guy's not here. Or I can put it here too. And this one, sweet. Let's do this. This will be on the belt, so there's no need for we don't need to. But if you give a little bit of thickness, it might look nice. Vendor's point of view. Yes. A bevel is always good because it gives a little bit of shining. A little bit of, yes. 100. Now we go here. Now we need a small something to attach here. So let's make right here. Small one. Oh, fix the size. Bring this guy up. Bring this guy here. Bring this guy. What the hell? Bring this guy here. And then bring this guy here, just like this. And this shouldn't be. Let's check 6 out. 6 is perfectly fine. 6.1 is good enough. Then we're gonna like this. Like this. So guys, this is running for real time, so it's been 11 minutes so far. Okay, a little bit more. Let's say 13. Go here, bring this guy down like this. And then go here, bring this guy up like this. And we'll reduce the size a little bit more, just like this. And I want this guy to scale is small. So we're going to go here, display, is it smooth, and this. All this stuff will be okay. Here we go. Nice. This birdie looks a little fat. The wing will be textured as well. So what can we do with it? Select this row. And select this row. This. This makes more sense. What is this here? The base. I think it's another cylinder, so we go duplicate this guy. Bring this guy down. Just like this. Here. Now we need this one. This doesn't make any sense, but it looks like some kind of so if you look to the side and if you draw this polygons, there's I think it's like a flower thing that is on the, it's here 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be like that. Let's not take this, maybe it's the image quality. Yeah, there's 2. So let's do this guy, let's do this guy, this guy here, and we just reverse this. Is that if I extrude this dude like this, and then what I do is this guy, remove this, and do this, and I do this, right? And what I do now is it's subdivided just to see we get the form, right? Yeah, we're getting there, but polygons move too much, so we can use this with time. So let's do this, circleize, twist this middle, right, here we go, and we're going to get rid of this, bring this guy up, right, and then get rid of these, get rid of these, and then get rid of these. Sorry, the music is going to repeat again, forgive me for this, I don't want to break my flow, even I'm getting sick of this music now. So here we go. Bring this here, bring this here on the top, and bring this guy here like this. So I'm gonna select these guys. And what I do is, if I get this, now I want to do this, I just want to do this, Control D, and let's minus it. I think I'm going to go with a bit of artistic freedom here. And what I'm going to do is run these guys, and then I'm going to Control D, and then I'm going to do this as well. Yeah, this kind of makes sense, you know. This is too small for anything. But even if I reduce these edges, because we just have to recognize the form from far away from here, we can recognize the form. So I think we're good to go. So let's combine these guys together just like this. We have a birdie. We got a birdie. Now, the birdie in the reference is a little still. Okay, I'm going to give, this is what you call Baptamizi. Maybe you guys are supposed to do that, but let's see how it goes. You can further reduce the number of polygons if we select these guys here, these two boys. Birdie's ready. Let's call this the mesh underscore birdie. For the spelling birdie. So we have got birdie. Let's unwrap it as well. I think this is enough. I'll unwrap it in the next video. Let's check it without this. This guy is not needed. Goes here. I want to hide the mesh as well. Here we go. So we got a good looking birdie here. All right.